And back now on Buffalo Nightly News. Tonight and today marked the first day of school bus stop arm enforcement in Buffalo this year. City officials are reminding drivers out there tickets are back in earnest. Channel 2's Alexandra Rios-Malviya has the details.
This is the corner of Bailey and Delavan, one of Buffalo's biggest violation hotspots last school year. Now, the city is putting up digital message boards and signs to warn drivers before they reach school bus stops.
Yeah, so they're $250. That's set by the state. Pretty hefty fine, but obviously it sort of reflects the severity of the violation.
In the first year of Bus Patrol cameras, nearly 40,000 drivers were cited. Tickets started about 600 a week and dropped to nearly 400 by the end of the school year.
Ultimately, what we want to see is if someone commits a violation, it doesn't happen again. For most of our programs, I believe this is also the case in Buffalo, 9 out of 10 violators don't commit a second violation.
Of those tickets, Bus Patrol says 53% were paid. About 9% were contested. The rest, drivers either haven't taken action or they haven't paid. The city and Bus Patrol split revenue from those fines. Buffalo takes 40%, the company takes 60%, which it says covers equipment, processing, and customer service fees.
All that cost, literally millions and millions and millions of dollars, was put up front. All that debt is being serviced by Bus Patrol on behalf of the city. So the city is literally never going to be on the hook for any of that cost. And the taxpayer is not going to be fronting that bill.
The tickets don't add points to a license, but they do carry a fine. And for Bus Patrol, the program is about safety, not revenue.
Very close calls that are very, very, quite frankly, make me emotional as a parent, because it just demonstrates how many people, whether they're, just not paying attention or just being careless, pass a school bus every day. It happens tens of thousands of times a day. So how can you argue with that? How can you argue with putting a child's life at risk?
Officials say the grace period is over. Starting today, every single violation counts. On your side in Buffalo, I'm Alexandra Rios-Malviya, Channel 2 News.